Hello, my name is Elizabeth Mercy, and this is my training seminar proposal from the outline of last week. So, for the purpose of this proposal, with the expansion and continuous evolution of technology, it is only a matter of time before your education partakes in the new resources available. As most classrooms utilize technology in some way, other educational technologies can be added to improve the utilization of technology and curriculum. The incorporation of these technologies can benefit all students, teachers, administrations, and even parents. The seminar's purpose is to become familiar with the new resources available for the entire school, as each of the new technologies may be used and aligned with specific standards and subjects. The three new resources that I am proposing are ClassDojo, iReady, and GoGuardian. So just a quick little intake on each of these technologies. ClassDojo is an online behavior management tool where teachers track student behavior, communicate with students or parents, and create online learning environments. GoGuardian is an educational software, technology software that filters and blocks websites from control from the teachers and administrators. This software can notify teachers as students may search content of self-harm, harm of others, or even suicide. iReady, which is an online classroom environment for students to receive personalized instruction on reading, mathematics. Teachers may progress monitor students on these subjects throughout the year to see where students are in the learning process. And this is also beneficial for intervention teachers as well. So when it comes down to training of each of these new resources, there's a lot of different little add-ons when it comes to using each resource. So there are some training that should be done for startup. As for training sessions, the request for all three educational technology requires at least 2 days of training for staff and faculty to become familiarized and prepared to work with the tools. Schedules will be split into professional development learning sessions to give each of the tools a dedicated time. And then so how would you train some faculty is giving each organization a dedicated session to learn the general basics and startup process and how to be able to implement it in the curriculum. Viewing specially created videos on the implementation process helps train faculty on the use of these tools, so giving time for teachers and new users to be able to review those videos and be able to practice themselves. And even some of the companies, organizations contain some sort of training courses built within the startup and membership. And like ClassDojo contains a series of training videos that are free and can be accessed now. And GoGuardian also contains online courses within the company to fully learn how to use the tool. iReady also contains a portal where leaders and teachers can access videos relating to how to navigate and understand the data. So, how are these tools helpful? The tools are helpful in the sense that whether we know that it can promote student learning and engagement. The combination of each of the three tools mentioned can best prepare incoming students for the 21st century skills that they will need as they move into the professional world. Increasing technology resources in the classroom can bring negative distractions and engagement. The importance of technology in the class is so great that students must learn how to adapt and learn through technology because they are soon to learn to develop and evolve through the usage. Okay, so when it comes to what is the financial investment, so it's not as hefty as some may seem, as long as there are some computers available. If computers are needed, then that is also a financial obligation in order to use any of these tools. So each of the mentioned organizations requires some sort of accessible technology in the classroom. This may include teachers needing computers or iPads for all students. After the financial obligations, the obtaining classroom technology for all students. The following are the individual financial obligations for each organization. So first is Class Dojo. There is no financial obligation as they are committed to providing accessible resources for K through 12 teachers, students, and parents. Go Guardian. It depends on the zip code area of where teachers are and the administrators are quoted, but it could be between $7 and $15 per device for a year for any fees or for plus any fees for initial licenses. As for iReady, per the website, the pricing may vary depending on specific subscription for each teacher and student. Typically, the cost per teacher for the teacher's toolbox access is $75 per year, along with $15 per student book. So when you add per student, that's when the price does go up. When we're talking about the viability of these tools, so what are the viability of these tools? So for a program to successfully work, I believe that it must be given and the appropriate amount of time of trial along with support from teachers and administrators, suggesting a demo trial for a while during the academic year can give enough time. Doing check-ins throughout the year to see how the tool is working. If it's not working, what can be done, if it's something that needs to be fixed, and ensuring that all staff and teachers have been given the proper training beforehand before starting the tool and giving it that demo. As for digital citizenship and ethics, so it is very important to teach a positive, respectful, and teach the importance of digital citizenship. And creating a safe online environment is something that each teacher and school should take seriously. Implementing rules and expectations explains to students what is appropriate, how to act when searching for content online. Requesting the trial usage of Go Guardian demonstrates the importance of respectful and appropriate online citizenship. This organization helps with many aspects of keeping students on task and limiting any internet distractions, addressing proper usage and student participation with innovative technology resources before giving students the tools can ensure proper usage. Teachers and administrators must establish meaningful expectations for students as they are benefiting from working with technology. So it is important to really understand the importance of it and to teach students how to be a positive online citizen. And through the use of all of these, this is something that we teach from the beginning.